Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you a 4-ingredient fat-burning drink. When it comes to weight loss, this drink sets the gold standard for efficiency. The central ingredient is apple cider vinegar, which will help you curb your appetite and burn fat. Similarly, cinnamon is also used to speed up the metabolism and halt consumption cravings. By burning excess sugars, adding this spice to the mix prevents fat storage from occurring. Finally, lemons add a little flair to this already flavorful remedy. This drink works so well because the acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar interferes with the enzymes in your stomach, responsible for digesting starch, so you can't absorb the calories from carbohydrates that you've eaten. This means that it should help with weight loss. In addition, apple cider vinegar reduces bloating by increasing the acidity in the stomach, which allows it to digest the food you've eaten and help propel it into the small intestine. Cinnamon helps boost your metabolism, regulates blood sugar, and stops food cravings. Cinnamon actually imitates the activity of insulin and increases the metabolism of glucose. Since high blood sugar levels can lead to increased storage of fat by the body, it helps prevent this and helps you to lose weight. Cinnamon is also rich in manganese, iron, calcium, and fiber. Lemon juice contains pectin, a soluble fiber that has been shown to help with weight loss. Lemon juice also helps get rid of the toxins in your body that cause you to keep weight on. In addition, lemon is rich in vitamin C. As you can see, this drink is a fat-burning concoction that really does the job. Drink and eat well. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.